Hi everyone, welcome back. Time trigger rules run every hour, match the tickets based on the given condition, and execute the defined actions. Time triggers help in triggering time-based actions and notifications. In this video, I will show you how to set up time trigger automation rules with various supported time trigger conditions and actions. I will also explain how to manage the time trigger rules in BoldDesk. Finally, I'll cover time trigger use cases and points to consider about time trigger rules and their effects on a ticket. First, let's see how to create or add a time trigger rule. Log in to your BoldDesk account as an administrator. In the Agent portal, open the Admin module. Then, choose Time Triggers from the Ticket Automation menu to open the Time Trigger Rules listing page. Next, click the Add Rule option to create a new rule. Here, enter the rule name and description. Then, choose the business hours or calendar hours that the rule will be active. Next, select the required fields from the list to frame a condition for determining which tickets the rule will be applied to. The list of fields added can be either and/or conditions. To know more about the fields that can be listed here, refer to the documentation link given below in the video description. Let's see an example of creating a condition to escalate open tickets for more than 8 hours. Now, select the field hours since open with the condition greater than 8 hours. Click Next and select the actions to be applied to the tickets on an hourly basis. Here, we are escalating the tickets to the support team and setting the priority as high. To know more about the actions that can be added in time trigger rules, refer to the documentation link given below in the video description. Finally, click Add to add the rule. The rule will be created and listed on the Time Triggers Rule listing page. You can drag and drop the rule to any position in the list, and the rule will execute sequentially based on the list order. Next, let's see how to manage the created time trigger automation rules. There are options to edit, activate, or deactivate and delete a rule. Deactivated rules will be moved to the Inactive tab and can later be activated if needed. Now, let's see some common time trigger use cases. They include: automate follow-ups to save agents time. Auto-solve a ticket if it is waiting for customer status for more than n number of hours. Auto-close the ticket if it is in a solved state for more than n number of hours. Finally, let's see some points you need to keep in mind when creating time trigger rules. Closed tickets will not be fetched. Tickets that have been modified within the previous 30 days from the current date should be fetched. A ticket can participate in a specific time trigger rule 100 times. Beyond that point, the rule will not run on the ticket. Tickets should be active and not be spam tickets. Every rule will affect only the first 1,000 tickets that match the condition. If a brand is deactivated, then the tickets associated with the brand will not be considered by time trigger rules. To improve the performance of time trigger automation, string type fields are not supported in defining conditions. You should also ensure the following things to avoid running a rule endlessly. Create a rule that matches a ticket only once. Create rules with actions that change the values of the ticket properties specified in the condition so that the condition will be false when the rule is executed again on the same ticket. In this video, I explained how to create a time trigger rule with different conditions and actions. I also explained how to manage time trigger rules, time trigger use cases, and important points to consider when creating time trigger rules. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.